In my personal Save the Dinner cookbook, scaloppini can never miss. Juicy and tender slices of meat, perfect to season as you wish, and they cook in a handful of minutes. Today we're going to dive into Lombardy cuisine. We'll prepare together scaloppini with white wine and parsley, aka all'erborino. Let's begin. And I start by chopping the parsley. I've already cleaned it, dried it. I'm going to remove the stems and then I'm going to chop it. I put it in a bowl and keep it aside. Now take care of the meat. Here I have the veal nut, the most suitable cut. From this piece I'll get 8 thin slices. And before I beat the slices, I'm going to wet them with some water. This way they will not stick to the pounder and won't tear. Just very little water. The most correct procedure is to pound and stretch it, this way you'll break down the fibers and flatten out the meat. Let's move to the stove. I'll melt the butter at medium temperature, and as soon as the bottom of the pan is hot, I'll flour the slices. I'm going to give them a quick drench, and I'm going to shake the excess and in the frying pan. I'll raise the temperature a little, and I sizzle them for a few moments, first on one side and then on the other one. I'll use a pair of tongs, because if I used a fork, I'd risk piercing the meat, causing it to dry. It's time to wet them with wine. I'll pour it and let it cook off. No more alcohol. I can add the hot broth. Then salt and pepper. Then continue cooking for a few minutes until the pan sauce has dried a little. Just swing the pan to get a delicious emulsion. Scaloppini are ready. I'll turn the stove off and immediately add the parsley. One last stir and I'm ready to serve. See, it only took us a handful of minutes to prepare this delicious second course. I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano, where you can find doses, ingredients and the step-by-step procedure. If you liked this video, please leave us a nice like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all the news. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and let me know.